In this scenario here, we're going to be stepping through a multi-step, multi-phase integration between multiple different systems and examining how well the process is actually running. Starting from the console inside a platform manager, this is everything that could be running or is already running inside the put it forward environment. There's other demos for the orchestration layer that are much deeper and much more rich in terms of the content. We won't go into that today. But what we're going to do is we're going to start a SAP Sitecore based integration scenario, and I've just set it up here to run in real time and have just activated it. Let's take a quick look at actually what the process looks like. We'll step into the process designer here, and this gives you an end-to-end view of all the different systems and step functions that are connected in this scenario. There's about 4 or 5 different systems and unique process steps here. Stepping into any of the process steps, you can see the underlying integration and kind of what's going on there. Typically, that's where your integration visibility would end, other than if you were to go into the statistics or reporting analytics to understand the performance of an individual integration or process step flow. But we're going to add a little bit more to that today here. Moving down the menu, we'll step into Delphi, which is the predictive analytics insight and data mining layer with Inside Put It Forward. We'll step over to the process mining tab and activate that particular functional area with Inside Put It Forward. What's fundamentally different about the process mining view versus the typical analytics or performance review reporting is that it gives you a view of how well the process is running with inside and across the different steps of the process itself. We're going to start the actual coding and simulation of this process here to see and identify how well and where branches and breaks and alternate paths are being followed and where there's potential choke points within the process across these multiple systems. Now we see here we've got a very slow process step function happening in between two kind of key parts here, which you can then tie back into the original process orchestration or process design view here. There's nothing inherently wrong with this process. It covers multiple different systems and multiple different functional steps and integration scenarios within it. What this is doing is giving you a view into how well that's actually performing and helping you identify where there's potential stop points or break points or slow points, frankly, inside of the process and be able to act on it. Thank you for taking some time to check this out. If you'd like to have some more information, click the appropriate buttons.